Welcome to C# Programming for Beginner class. This is my 14th video, and in this video I will talk about C# operators. So basically every programming language has lots of operators, and it's almost same in every programming language. So C# has also bunch of operators, and it's used for different purposes. So the operators that are used along with C# programming, these are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for mathematical operation, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the mod operator or modules. These are the arithmetic operators and used for mathematical operation. The other operators in C# programming is assignment operators. These operators are used to assign the value for any variable in C# programming. And the other operators in C# programming is comparison operators. Comparison operators used for comparing the values between two variables. And the other operators in C# programming is logical operators. These operators are used for making logical conditions during our program, and we will discuss these operators step by step later. Like and share the video. If you have any question, you can comment below in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video.